Hey y'all, what it do? Welcome back to the Bible. 3, 2, 1.
Action.
There you go. Yes, baby. And today we're going to be doing a unboxing video. We got so many excited things that I've been waiting for so long. Finally, they are here. And they are pretty heavy, so baby's gonna help me unbox them and assemble them. So, yes, excited. Which one we starting with first?
The desk, the bar, choose.
We ordered a bar, a desk, and a few clothing. So we're starting with the bar.
Gucci.
Right? You ready to go? Uy. This thing has to be done on the floor. Huh? Here. Bro.
Do we have tools for this?
Hmm?
Do we have tools for this?
They're supposed to come with tools, I guess. Most of the tools.
Yep. Okie dokie. Step 1 is done. Babe, what I'm gonna do without you? I don't know. Keep living.
Keep living. Fact. I mean. I think so.
Yeah, you'll do much better.
Hmm?
You'll probably do much better after me.
No, don't say that. Don't talk like that. Anyhow, let's continue.
Step 2.
Step 2. Almost done.
You see this? Step 2.
Step 2.
Easy, right?
Yeah, easy peasy. Chicken feet.
Chicken feet.
Let's continue with the work.
Music! Got it.
Are complete.
We are done, you guys. Bar is complete. Thank you, lady.
Welcome.
Alright, so where are we gonna set it?
Into the kitchen.
Let's go. Where do you think is a very perfect spot? Right there? You think? What if we put the shoes there?
Where?
Right there.
Shoes.
Easy. I hope when the door opens it doesn't like okay.
Onde pegar no portão?
Like yeah, something like yeah. Enough. Now the decoration is another video. Alright you guys, on to the next one. We're going to unbox
The desk.
the desk.
Where the magic happens.
Yes, where the magic happens. Woo! I'm so excited. No, with the extra, with the whole excited.
This
Careful, baby. Hmm? Ui. I hope we have somewhere to this toilet to set it. I think we're gonna make it. It took us what, less than an hour to assemble the other one? Because it was like around like 12. Maybe.
Yeah. Assembly. Let's do this. Okay, go.
Assembly!
Need the piece, the A piece.
guys, so we are done. Well, baby's waiting for me to finish my intro. We are done, you guys. I'm excited, and I don't even know where I'm gonna put it on. Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Like.
Like yay big.
Okay. Wait. There you go. This is my desk. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the Manahuli Pandlanta for us.
Inside of the rest.
Okay. And where are we gonna put it?
I don't know. Where do you want to put it? You know?
Here?
You know?
Yeah. Alright, you guys. Hope you guys did like my investment. My desk, my bar. Thumbs up for Bay for helping me. In another video, I will introduce my babe to y'all, even though you guys saw him already, but no explanation. But we'll leave it for next video. And hopefully you guys did like it, enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye, babe.
Bye.